Edward Wick and Rohin Dhand of Penguin FM talk to us about their Leeds-based Total FM business. The Penguin FM story.
Whilst we're both in our sort of final year of university, we each established our own companies. Rohin had started a property development company based here in Leeds, and then I'd started with a commercial window cleaning company. Throughout that time, we were each having conversations and discussions about what we wanted to do long term. After numerous ones, we sort of started to happen on the idea of creating a total facilities management company, with the foundation of that really being of the case that obviously Rohin's development company had the start of a building, and then my commercial window cleaning company, that was almost an end service.
A lot of people say to us, the Penguin FM name is a bit unusual. It started off as a bit of humour on a night out. People didn't believe what we did, and I think sometimes it used to Ed and I down because they didn't believe we were so young and in business. So we started telling people that we were penguin keepers. At one point, the story got quite large. We had a big backstory that we used to tell people, and that's how we started with Penguin FM. Now, as we've grown from not only just a Leeds and Yorkshire-based contractor, we're now operating nationwide with contracts up and down the country, and our growth is just continuing.
The team.
So as young entrepreneurs in property, we really had to work hard to build our credibility. And me, myself, I've been doing this 8 years now. So Ed and I have been very keen to develop that next generation. Started rolling out apprenticeship schemes, both on site and within our office team. And this is really going to help us drive our business forward and develop that next generation of talent.
Building on success.
We've just rolled out a national contract for the delivery of window cleaning services across 300 sites for a national supermarket chain. This is actually the first time they've had a sole provider for that window cleaning contract. Previously, they've been using multiple contractors, I think over 200, they told us. And so it has really delivered them an increase in their efficiency, certainly even just on their admin side of things. In addition to that, we've also just won a national contract to deliver a Total FM package to a bathroom store retail outlet. They have 70 stores across the UK, so we're rolling that out now for the back end of 2020 and into 2021 as well. So those recent successes of new clients have been fantastic for us. But equally on the flip side, and what I think I'm particularly proud of, is the fact that we are still working with our long-term clients. One that springs to mind is one of our very first large external clients who are based in the hospitality sector. We worked really hard with them coming out of lockdown in helping them to prepare for reopening and getting their clients back into their venues, built a real buzz around it. I think we delivered 50 one-off projects in assisting them with getting their venues back open and creating some really nice spaces, doing refurbs, showing that we still have such a strong relationship with our existing clients.
What we want to do is stop our clients having any sort of downtime or spending more money than they need to. So what we essentially do is maintain their assets and stop them breaking down by maintaining them regularly and by also replacing component parts when they start to show wear and tear. By taking our clients from a reactive approach to a preventative approach, enable them to save tens of thousands of pounds.
Using the latest technology to deliver innovation and enhance client service.
We've invested in technology really well here. We have got a fully functional CAFM system, which allows us to put all of our pre-planned maintenance schedules into and also log all of our reactive jobs, and our clients have full oversight of that. They can log in at any time and see a status on any job, any pre-planned event, any reactive event across whether it be one site or whether they've got multi-sites. They have it all at the end of their mouse. So we're also installing QR codes on client assets on site. This allows our engineers to arrive to site, scan the QR code with their PDAs, and then they will bring up the entire life history of that asset, whether it be PPM history or reactive repair works. So we also have mapping software that links in with our CFM system, and this allows us to plot geographically where our clients are located and all of their site. We can then use that information to reduce inefficiencies and increase travel time for our engineers and use engineers who are local and nearby to those sites. This software also provides our clients with ETAs on updates for jobs. So especially useful with reactive jobs, whereby once they log on to the next job, it will send an ETA to the client direct, either via text message or email. Further technology that we're also investing in specifically in the healthcare sector is BMS systems and retrofitting them to build in extra layers of resilience on these sites for our clients. In addition to that, we're also having backup assets as well. So if, for example, boilers go down, we have immersion heaters which can maintain levels of hot water within the building. This, tied in with the BMS system, allows us to know that this asset has failed, and in some cases already deploying engineers to the site long before the client even knows that there is an issue.
Looking to the future.
So we have some really exciting plans for 2021 and beyond. Our business is essentially based on eliminating inefficiencies for our clients. Not only are we doing this by investing in new technologies, but we're also starting to expand our services.
So we're now delivering a fit-out service for our clients, both existing and new, covering sectors from hotels, restaurants, all the way through to office spaces. Success behind this has all been based upon the team that we have behind us, and it's really going to allow us to continue to grow throughout 2021 and beyond.